Hello friends, today I'm going to talk to you regarding one website which recently I found out. In fact, I didn't found out. One of our group member from MTG group, he posted about this website into our group. So I just checked out how is the website and what are the features. So I really like the features of this website. It is very much AI powered website and very informative. And I checked some of the features. I really liked it. Like example, if I want to share some of the features of this particular website is RRG. So this is one of the feature which usually everyone is looking after. So here you can see this. Uh, this is gives the information about the sector rotation. So RRG is basically simply it divides into four quadrants. One is uh, leading, weakening, lagging, and improving. So basically, you can see this these arrows moves in these four quadrants. So we need to focus on the this improving quadrant. So whichever the sector is coming in this improving quadrant, that is a sector where we need to focus on for the stocks. And then this improving quadrant, this sector, then again it moves to, if the momentum continues, then it moves to leading quadrant. And then once the momentum is exhausted, then it goes to weakening and then lagging. So this is how the entire cycle keeps on happening with entire cycle of the stock market. So currently, if you see, as we spoke in today's meeting as well, Reality and FMCG are the two stocks from lagging. They have now moved to improving quadrant. So this is where these two sectors where you need to focus on and see for some good opportunities if some companies which are posting good results. And IT is it currently into lagging, and slowly the if you see the arrow is moving upwards. So eventually we might see this is also coming into improving quadrant. And you can see the sectors which are into leading like metal, energy, pharma. So you if you go to these any of these stocks from these sectors, you will see these sectors, these stocks are already like 20, 25%, 30% they have run up. So that is the reason I'm saying you need to focus on the sectors which are improving and then which are just going into leading quadrant. And you need to think of exiting these stocks which are moving from leading to weakening quadrant, because this is a very clear indication which shows that the stocks are going to now in correction and you have to book the profit. So this is basically a weekly cycle. This has been shown here. So most of the features in this particular site are free, but there are few very good features which are mainly the AI powered. To get those features, you need to subscribe for the plan, and it is very low plan. No, it's not very high. Like example, here is one plan, one feature which calls as basically Pro. So if you see here, this particular feature mainly focuses on the earnings. And you see here, it says start Pro with 399 rupees per month. But if you go to yearly and plan, then it is much more lower. So to try how this website works, I have taken this 399 plan, and it really worked very well with me. So once you take the subscription, then you get an access to their Telegram app. That is where I found the best part of this particular uh, website. They give access to you and to this watch list pulse. So basically here it gives all the information related to the stocks which you are going to add into the watch list. So basically when you click here open app, you can go and open this one, and then here you can add a watch list. You see here, watch list. So these are some of the stocks which I have added into watch list. So based on this, it gives me a very instant information. Anything comes up in public domain, it comes and pops up in this Telegram group. So like example, uh, say like example result. So this is the NetWeb result. So as soon as this result will be published, immediately this will come and land in your Telegram page. So this will give very clearly give you how the results are, and it gives you what are the y on y, q on q, all that information. And then it will keep you giving the information what are the highlights of uh, the results, how are the results. It will keep on giving you all the information required, and immediately it creates one concise report which gives you how the result was. So this is earning pulse, earning brief. So you see this here, it says performance driver. So what were the performance driver of that particular result? Then margin drivers. So those things. And then important, it will give you the red flags. What are the red flags in the results which has been published? So this gives a very concise report rather than you go and read it. Definitely that is a very good practice. If somebody want to read the entire report and take the decision, that is very good. But this gives you a brief bullet points which are important in the results. And second very important thing it does is after the result is posted, as soon as the con call is finished, it immediately comes and gives you the con call brief summary report. Let me see if any old, yeah, see this one is DMart's report uh, where it says growth is rising, expanding, healthy, and quality. So, and if you see here, red flags, there are no red flags it is giving. So this is the DMart result. Q on Q is not so great, but I think Y on Y is good. I want to see here con call. Yeah, see this is investor presentation. Yeah. So this is where you can see here what the investor presentation is saying. In a very bullet points, it will give you the entire summary of that presentation. Yeah. And top of that, what it will do, say like example, APL, if I want to see the report. Yeah. APL report. Where is the APL? 5 paisa. Moscow Dock. Moscow Dock. HFCL. Okay, APL. Okay, forget it. So if you see here Mazgao doc, and then it gives everything, and immediately after that, uh, at the end of the day, it will give you one table which will show from your watch list how many results are declared and which one was great, which one was good, which one was weak. So here it says 5 paisa and Mazgao results were weak, and HFCL was great, good, Newgen was good. So this is where when HFCL results were uh, immediately posted, immediately it popped up into my Telegram channel, and that's where I went and took a position as an additional quantity in HFCL. See this. So this as soon as this is sorry, this is the investor presentation. Results may be here up. Oh, where are the results? Newgen, yeah, HFCL. Yeah. So if you see here, growth is rising, expanding. Quality, it is turn around. So currently, as of now, it is showing low. And then along with that, when you click here, read full analysis. So you can click here, and then it will take you to the website. And here when you click report, view report, then it will start generating a detailed in-depth report about this particular company, and then that PDF will come into again into your uh, uh, Telegram channel here. So you can open and then you can share and you can do anything. Second very important thing is as soon as the results are published, you will get this concise report, and you immediately here, if you click view file, it will say, it will take out to this result. So you can go and check out the results as well. So this is very important features which usually people lack getting, especially retail traders get all these informations very late. Yeah, and some of the information, it will keep you notifying, like say example KIE is into my portfolio in my watch list. So this has already sent me that from my portfolio which stock is having a earnings tomorrow. So this is from my portfolio, only one stock is having the results tomorrow. Yeah, and here if you see on first the results, three results they are declared: DMART, NetWeb, and CDSL. So it's saying CDSL and NetWeb results are weak, and DMART results were okay. Yeah, so this is how it keeps on giving the information, and it will give you some additional filings what the company is keep on doing with the exchanges. So those all notifications also will keep on coming to your Telegram. So rather than you go and different places finding, you can just go through this and find out what is happening into your portfolio. So these are some of the very, very important features I found in this one. Along with this, yeah, here this is another Telegram channel which you will get the exercise. Mostly it is the same only. So see, it says Gentech investor presentation just now came here. So here you can read very clearly and see what is happening. And see this HFCL which we took the report that has come here now. Yeah, so if I open it here, yeah, so if you see here, it gives a very detailed, in-depth information about that company, what are their current triggers, what company is doing, what companies the plans are, future plans are, everything it is giving here. And then very important thing, if you go to site here and say like example, if you want to do an analysis about the DMART, yeah, so here, yeah, so if you click here, so it will you can start interacting with the AI. Say like it will give you the questions, direct questions. Like example, uh, what is the management recent commentary? So it will try to find out all that information available in the con calls, available in the website, and try to give you. Yeah, so let just wait for a sec. Let it upload the information. Yeah, it is reading. Yeah, so meanwhile, till the time it loads, yeah, perfect. It loaded here. See, what is the management's recent commentary? So as of Friday close, DMART, blah blah blah, everything you can read here. Yeah. Uh, Other than that, you can type your questions as well. So what say like example, uh, I will ask what.